Hi everyone, I wanted to just make a very quick video to talk about where we are in terms of the semester and to just really talk about what we're doing. So at this point, believe it or not, we are on week 7 of the course. So that actually means that we are halfway through. And really at this point, we are or should mostly be on autopilot. Hopefully over the last couple of weeks, we've really have gotten into a rhythm. So we're really focusing on continuing to move forward with that annotated bibliography. By the end of this week, week 7, we should have about 20 sources. So you should have already found these materials, you should have already read through them or most of them, and you should also really be starting to think about how those sources will help you with your own paper, right? One of the most important sections in the annotated bibliography entries is a paragraph on why that source will be useful for you. And the reason that's going to be so helpful as we move towards finishing up the annotated bibliographies and then starting to think about our actual research papers is because it will allow you to bring everything back to your focus and your thesis. So really this week we're just continuing to research, continuing to find information, and are lengthening our annotated bibliographies. Now, if you ever have any questions about these entries or about the bibliographies in general, feel free to send me an email. You might have noticed that for a lot of the annotated bibliographies, you mostly have very quick feedback from me, and I mostly just reach out to people if they're struggling in one way or another. But if everything seems good, then we just move forward and continue pushing through. And I do want to be encouraging in this video, right? We're moving forward, we're just getting information, and we're really starting to kind of figure out the shape of our own research. Now, the other thing I want to encourage people to do, if you have not done it already, is to have the meeting with the librarian. So this was due on February 14th. So if you haven't done it yet, make sure you set up a meeting to talk about your annotated bibliography and upload the evidence of that meeting into Canvas. So this can either be a snapshot of basically a confirmation of the meeting. That's fine. So if they sent you an email saying we'll meet on blank, just send that to me. Send me a snapshot of it. The other thing you can do is go into Canvas and just give me a very, very quick paragraph. Just basically saying, this is what we talked about, this is when I had it. And now this is worth 5% of your grade. So if you don't have it in yet, you've already lost 5%. So, and this is an easy 5% because you really, if you go through, you set up the meeting and you have it, you get free points. So send it in, get at least half credit if it is late. If you don't send it in, you automatically get a 0. So take advantage of it. If you have any questions about the meeting or about the annotated bibliographies, let me know. But in general, just keep going, keep moving forward. We are getting there.